Welcome to Taylor, Mexico, where innovation and excellence converge to deliver world-class labeling solutions. Since starting operations in Mexico in 2006, we have been dedicated to serving our clients with the highest standards of quality and innovation. In April 2023, driven by Glenn Taylor's vision and supported by a $10 million investment, we proudly inaugurated our state-of-the-art label manufacturing facility in Monterrey, Mexico. Spanning an impressive 107,000 square feet, this facility is a powerhouse, integrating production, warehousing, and distribution under one roof. This strategic move enables Taylor to meet the surging demand for durable labels among Mexico's industrial manufacturers. What sets Taylor Mexico apart is our unwavering commitment to quality and innovation. Our facility is equipped with cutting-edge technology to ensure that our products meet the highest standards of durability and precision. Our diverse range of capabilities include label production using digital, flexographic, and screen printing technology, technical literature production, kitting, inventory management, and process enhancement services. Our products are used across various industries and applications, guaranteeing quality and efficiency. Our advanced technology not only maintains the highest standards of quality, but also emphasizes environmental care. At Taylor, we provide comprehensive regulatory and compliance expertise spanning both the U.S. and Mexico, encompassing standards such as UL, ANSI, and CSA. Our certifications and practices, including ISO 9001, IATF 16949, ISO 14001, and WCA, ensure unparalleled quality and compliance in every aspect of our operations. Additionally, we have a specialized foreign trade team and IMEX-certified operations. With strategically located warehouse and distribution facilities throughout the country, we are uniquely positioned to serve the entire U.S.-Mexico border region from coast to coast. Our bilingual customer support team ensures a seamless experience for manufacturers doing business in both the U.S. and Mexico, and facilitating smooth operations for nearshoring and expanding companies. None of this would be possible without the hard work and dedication of our team. Everyone at Taylor Mexico is committed to providing the best service for our customers. We are confident that our experience and commitment to excellence will meet and exceed your expectations. Thank you for considering Taylor Mexico for your printing needs.